Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Realme phone Bluetooth setting. In this video guys we will talk about guys how can we disconnect our earbud to our Realme phone. So friends, I have connected this earbud and guys you have also connected earbud and guys you want to disconnect. And guys most of people guys what do they do guys? They did not connect. Okay, they do not connect guys earbud. They off guys only Bluetooth. So while it is not good. So friends, you should disconnect guys. You are not using your earbud. So guys you should first of all disconnect and unpair it. So guys, now we will disconnect. So then first of all open your phone setting to disconnect your earbud. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. Friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys we have connected guys this Piton TWS company earbud, but guys we will disconnect. So by right side icon guys you can see this. So friends, tap here. As you can see your unpair and disconnect option. Yes friends, we want to disconnect, we will click on disconnect. So by earbud will disconnect, and guys now we will off our Bluetooth setting. So guys, like that guys you can disconnect your earbud to your guys Realme phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earbud. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.